Hey guys, what's up? I just got back from school and it's like freezing cold outside. I don't know if you can see this, but look, it's like really rainy and windy and yuck. So I just had English and we had to write a formal letter. And I guess I had the best letter because I was allowed to go home first. What? What do you want? What? Look. She needs attention. Crazy cat. Anyway, so I think I had the best letter, but I don't know, cause he didn't say anything else. We had to mail it to him. And then he said, I think I'm going to let some people go home. Let's see who knows my name. Oh, Rose, yes. You can go home or stay or do whatever you want. I can't get this bottle open. Damn it. Anyway, I think no one's home. But it could be my dad is upstairs. I don't know. My mom, I guess she went to pick up my sister. No, wait, it's way too early for that. Or she just went to the mall or something. I don't know. Yeah, my hair is like really poof. Look, it's like really bad. Cause it's really dampy outside and then my hair will start. That was my boyfriend texting me again. As I was saying, it starts freezing up and then it's like really weird and it goes like every direction. Further on, school went fine. Just the first class I was really tired. I really didn't want to do anything, but I had to. So yeah. Anyway, that's school life. Oh my god. I am so tired. Tonight I have gymnastic practice. I'm really looking forward to it. Like, I'm really excited. I'm really curious about when I'm going to learn some new tricks. Maybe a back handspring or a back tuck. I don't know. But I really want to learn those. But that's not up to me. It's up to my coach. What? She here again. Stupid cat, really. Anyway, look, this is my kitty. Yeah, we have 5 cats in total, but one of them is completely mine. Here she is. Honey. You can see her. Yeah, it's really dark. You can see her. Maybe if I just put her... Hold on, 1 second. Hey, come here. There she is. She's really furry. Look, it's my kitty. Her name is Selva. I think that was Latin or Greek for forest. I don't know why we called her Forest, but it was a pretty name. It suits her. Yeah, she's my cat. She's mine. Yeah, I'm going to stop vlogging now. Oh look, we have a visitor. Crazy cat. I don't call her a monkey because she sits on my shoulder sometimes, and that's really funny. Yeah, I'm going to stop vlogging now. Oh my god, it just started raining. Oh god, poor mommy, wherever she is. What? It's the other cat again. Anyway, I will talk to you next time. Subscribe, like, comment, do anything, I don't care. And make sure you watch my back video or the video where I clean up my room, because that's one's really funny. Anyway, I will see you next time. Bye bye.